Hey, so I made that video the other day of the intake assembly and install. I'm getting ready to fire the motor on the stand, but unfortunately I didn't take any video tearing down the motor, hot tanking all the parts, and reassembling and rebuilding everything. So I did take a bunch of pictures, so in this video I'm going to try to show those pictures, a progression from, original to tear down to rebuild. And then later today, hopefully, I get this motor running on the stand. Let's take a video of that for the progress of the build. But, all right, here comes some pictures of the progress. Thanks, guys. First crank, 20 years. Carb down the bowl. Gas down the carb bowl. She runs. A little crappy, but she runs. So yeah, that's it. From tear down to hot tank. I made that hot tank out of a 55-gallon drum and aquastat and electric hot water heater. That's my kids yelling. Worked great. I can't believe I put these parts in dirty, greasy, disgusting, and I left them in for like a day. And they just came out beautiful. Didn't have to do any scrubbing, nothing. Power wash just to make sure, but it was great. So yeah, and then reassembly, So check back in later today. I'm hoping I run this thing on the stand today and I get a nice video of that. All right, have a good one.